Hi guys and all the watercolor lovers. Today I'm going to try watercolor pencils and then I'm going to use them to draw clovers. I got these pencils to try out when I was buying watercolor materials. I'm going to try them out today. I have 5 pencils in a review. Watercolor is an Austrian manufacturer and they should combine the qualities of watercolors and colored pencils. Watercolor pencils are made from pigments, kaolin and wax. The main property of pencil is shown when a work is blurred with water, because the strokes acquire a watercolor effect. In the beginning I write samples on cellulose paper with pencils, and after adding water I make stretching. I purposely take different kinds of paper to understand what effects can be obtained. Cellulose and 100% cotton on which I will draw the plant. Trying a soft brush, a natural one, it seems to me it's better. It is possible to draw as well as dry pencils and to wet the slate, and the stroke comes out more bright and pigmented. The material dries pretty quickly. A sample on washout is given well. For this purpose I wash a little dry and white the pigment with a synthetic brush. Great, so you can use the washout effects. Well, I'm going to try to draw a happy four-leaf with these pencils. I suspect I need several layers of glaze. my four-leaf with watercolor pencils is done. To summarize, drawing with watercolor pencils is interesting and unusual. They have a different behavior, but can handle both transparent and saturated effects. It is better to use a brush with a natural and soft nib, so as not to wash out the previous layer. I think the gray and ochre can be used for sketches. It will help to make a composition and will not leave traces when working with watercolor. I think also ideally watercolor pencils are good for realistic flower art. Try it yourself and share your success in comments of this video.